Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. As you guys can see, we're having a crazy Cali weather right now this morning. It's all foggy. I don't know why. It's really cold. Previous day was warm and now it's super hot. I apologize for that noise in the background. Some neighbor, I don't know what the heck he's cranking on, but it's making a bunch of noise. But anyways, on today's episode, I got something great. We're going to be addressing the steering box, which I haven't addressed on my Jeep yet. But as you guys can see on the side right here, I have a Poison Spyder skid plate as well as a rough country steering brace. So it's going to strengthen that 30 plus year steering box. So that's going to be great. It's going to strengthen it and add protection as well. When I start rock crawling, start banging it, it won't get damaged on the trail. So all of these two products are going to be linked down, Amazon products. If you guys want to purchase it for your YJ, you guys can purchase it as well. They have so many for all different types of Jeeps, so you guys can look for all that stuff down below on the link. I also want to thank JTM Off-Road. He's another YouTuber. Make sure to follow him as well. He did a previous video on the steering brace, which sold me, and that's why I decided to purchase it for my Jeep to strengthen it. So make sure to check out his channel, and if you guys want to purchase these products, like I said, it'll be down on the link below. So join me on this episode. I'm just going to install this and walk you guys through it with me, and it's going to be a fun episode. Make sure to subscribe, all right? Let's do it. So I've been installing a lot of Poison Spyder products on this Jeep, and I just like their products. They look great, and their logo looks excellent. That's Spyder. And by no means am I sponsored by Poison Spyder, but I do like their products, and I did get some stickers with this product, so that's pretty cool. And it's pretty simple product. Let's take a closer look. Like always, take a close look at the product on the inside. And the only drilling that you'll have to do is these two upper holes right here on your bumper. It's going to be a 3/8 drill bit, and that'll be fairly simple. You'll have to drill up here. Doesn't matter if it ruins the powder coat, it's fine. Touch up paint, that'll do it. Now here we have the rough country steering brace. Fairly simple. You guys can see all the hardware's included. Very simple installation. So no drilling there, just attaching the bolts, aligning it, and there you go. Fairly simple. So there you guys have it. Let's install these two products. So here it is, the steering box. It's pretty exposed. It's right next to the shackle, so a little bit of protection, but if that was to get bent, it's gonna smash the steering box. So we're gonna address this real quick. Just install the steering brace right here, and it's gonna attach like this so you guys can see. All right, so it just goes there's like a U-bolt type that goes around here and just loops up around the steering box, and then the other one will go right underneath, next to the frame. As you guys can see, there's two holes, so I'll be able to bolt it on from the other side of the frame, and fairly simple. So I'm just gonna walk you through the steps, show you the steps, and that'll be it, and then we'll see the overall installation. The final view of the steering brace installation. Fairly well set up. So thank you once again, JTM Off-Road, for recommending this product. It's definitely going to help out. Keep this steering box secured and strengthen it. Fairly simple installation. Moving on to the Poison Spyder skid plate for the steering box. We're going to have to remove just these two bolts for the steering box, and that'll be it. You don't have to hold up the steering box. It'll be fine. Just remove these two bolts, and then we'll mock up the skid plate, and then we'll align it to see and figure out which location we're going to be drilling onto the front bumper itself. So the skid plate's all mocked up, but like always, there are some modifications needed. That's the thing about Jeeps. You do have to modify a little bit. So as you guys can see here on the shackle bolt, it is interrupting the skid plate from going all the way up to the bumper. So I'm just going to cut off the bolt a little bit right there, maybe like a centimeter. And then on the steering brace itself, it is interrupting here as well. So I'm going to have to cut a little bit right there. No problem. So that'll be the next step now, modifying the skid plate a little bit. Let me show you the final installation of the Poison Spyder skid plate and the rough country steering brace. Let's go. Check it out, guys. I apologize, it's the night already. I ended up doing stuff around the house, so I didn't finish it till late at night, but overall it looks great. You guys can see, like I said, I did trim a little bit right here in the corner Well, the bolt right here for the shackles, and then I did have to cut out a piece of it as well on the skid plate to access the bolt on the steering brace itself. But other than that, it's all good. Now I will give you a final look during the day so you guys can take a better look at it, but overall it looks great. Check it out, both logos right there. Damn, that looks sick. There you go, guys, the installation of the Rough Country steering brace and the Poison Spyder skid plate for the steering box on this Jeep YJ. So now I have a peace of mind to know that the steering box on this Jeep is well protected whenever I start rock crawling or when I start hitting some rougher trails for this Jeep. So if you guys are interested, like I said in the beginning of the video, the links will be down below to the Amazon where you can find both of these products if you're interested. They're not super expensive, so you may be interested in them, and of course it's going to bring you that peace of mind that your steering box is well protected. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end this video by showing you both of these products in the daylight. I know it's night already, as you guys can see in the background, but there we go, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. There you guys.